Welcome back to Cooking with Dave. Today we're going to make some chicken Parmesan. I got some boneless chicken breasts. What we're going to do is just fillet them right in half. Just like that. And two halves. I'm going to take a little bit of my seasoning I have here. I have oregano, parsley, and salt, and I forget what the other one was. But anyway, just sprinkle it up here. Flip it over. Season this side. Take a little bit of, I like avocado oil. Take a little bit of avocado oil. That's going to help just to give you some nice grill marks on the smoker. Come over here, put that one over here, put that one on there, and we'll do the same thing. Alright, we'll just go ahead and lay these right on there. As I said, it doesn't really matter because we're going to chop them up anyway, put them in the sandwich. Basically, we want to cook them and get some color. Alright, corn's on there, that's on there. Now while that's going on in like that, close this up. We'll come over here. And I got a little bit of that pizza sauce I made up the other day. Put it inside of a little pot. And I'll put that right on in there. And we'll get that warming up. Alright. And that's about it. We'll be back in about 15 minutes. Alrighty, we're back here right now. Yeah, nice color on that. Check these, coming along nice. Very nice. Corn's looking good. Sauce there, sauce is looking nice. Alright. Just keep on cooking along. And by the way, the other seasoning I put on here was basil, oregano, parsley, salt. Alright. See how we're doing here. A nice color. Yep, good color. Alright. Go ahead and take these off now. Take these off, put them right here on the chopping board. Get that closed up. Alright. Chop these up. You don't have to be small, don't have to be big. Just chop them up. They're going to go on a roll anyway. But I tell you, you gotta invest in some smeller vision. The seasonings on this are just out of this world. It smells so good. That chicken's just falling apart. Alright. We got that like that. Down here, get out the rolls. Here's just some good Italian Philadelphia cheesesteak rolls. Hey, already pre-cut, how about that? Alright. Now I know a lot of your purists out there would be saying, oh, you gotta put sauce on the bottom first. Nah, I don't like the sauce on the bottom. Get some chicken on there. Don't be bashful, we got plenty of chicken. Alright. Get that one. Can't forget one for my cameraman over there. Make one for him. That, like that out of the way, that over here. Some good mozzarella cheese. Yeah, gotta feed the animals, right? So we're cooking outside. Throw some good mozzarella cheese on there. Oh yeah, can't make a sandwich without making a mess. That's what I always say. Alright, take these now and come back over to the smoker. Like that. Right like that, and let that melt up a little bit, then we'll put some sauce on them. Alright, so it looks like the sandwiches are ready to come off now, so we're going to go ahead and get them on the plate, and then we're going to put some sauce on them. Yep, look at that, nice and toasty. A little burn on the roll there, but that's alright. Not gonna hurt anything. But boy, do they look good. Nice toasty Italian rolls. Nice smothery mozzarella cheese. Alright. Get these over here. One here. One here. We'll get that sauce now. And the reason why I don't put the sauce on the rolls first, you don't want the rolls to get soggy. You want a nice, unsoggy roll. So I put it on top of the, right on top. You don't have to put a lot. Maybe about that much, or more if you like more. Put more on there. But yeah. That's that. And then we'll come over here and we'll get the corn. We'll go ahead and take them off. Put that one here. That one right there. And just so if anyone was wondering, my smoker was set for 350 degrees. Now, these things are going to be a little hot, so just be careful when you get to open them up. But they are going to be good. Yeah, they are hot. But look at that little color. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, God, it's gonna be so good. You don't even have to put butter on these. They're going to be so good. Let's take a bite before we get too into anything else. Oh, the smoke flavor, beyond nothing. Take a little bite of sandwich here. Which end I want to start with here, huh? Oh, we'll just go right from here. And it's going to be hot, so be careful. Wow. That's a fun dinner for somebody. Have fun with the kids. Have fun with everyone in the house. And just have a good time. So remember to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. We'll see you next time. Have a good one.